The bunny places carrots on one side and clovers on the other. In this lesson, carrots represent goods you can eat or use. Clovers represent the trade token people accept in exchange for goods. We'll use these objects to understand how trade can create money. Everything here is simple, so the idea is clear. The bunny puts one carrot on the table and then places 3 clovers beside it. This shows a basic exchange rate. 1 carrot trades for 3 clovers. Prices are just trade agreements made visible. When everyone expects the same exchange rate, trading becomes faster. This is the first step toward a shared system. Now the bunny doubles the example. 2 carrots and 6 clovers. The exchange rate stays consistent, so the math stays easy. A stable rate helps people plan and compare choices. This is important because trade gets messy when every deal is different. Consistency is what makes trade efficient. The bunny shows a simple graph with trade deals increasing over time. As more trades happen, people need faster ways to agree on value. Constant negotiation wastes time. A shared token helps reduce friction in every exchange. The graph represents trade growing, not a story, just a pressure that pushes systems to improve. The bunny lays out carrots and clovers in a messy way, then starts organizing clovers into equal stacks. This shows a key idea. Tokens are useful when they are countable and easy to divide. If a trade token is hard to measure, trade becomes confusing. Neat stacks make value easy to see. Standard units make deals simpler. The bunny slides 3 clovers forward to pay for a carrot. Notice what matters. The token moves and the good moves. This is trade with an accepted middle step. Instead of swapping carrot for carrot, the bunny can swap carrot for clovers. That flexibility is what makes tokens powerful. Now the bunny has no carrots, but it has a stack of clovers. This shows how tokens store value across time. The bunny can trade later, even if it doesn't have goods right now. That's a huge upgrade from direct barter. Stored value makes planning possible. The bunny shows 4 carrots and splits 12 clovers into 2 equal stacks. This demonstrates divisibility and making change. If tokens divide cleanly, many different trades become possible. You can pay for large items or small items using the same system. Division is one reason certain items become money-like. The bunny holds up 1 clover and points to a simple checklist. A good trade token is easy to count, easy to carry, and trusted by others. Trust matters because a token only works if people accept it. When a community agrees, the token becomes a common language of value. That agreement is what turns trade into a system. The bunny labels carrots as goods and clovers as the price tool. Then it places a simple table that connects the two. Prices help us compare different goods using one scale. Without a shared scale, every trade is a separate argument. With a shared scale, trade becomes organized. The bunny shows a simple chart where 2 lines cross, representing supply and demand. Then it places clovers near the center point to represent a market price. Prices change when conditions change, but the token system still helps everyone communicate value quickly. The chart is not a story, just a clean way to show how prices form. Tokens make price signals usable. The bunny lines up 5 carrots and places 15 clovers beneath them, grouped in 3s. This makes the exchange rate visible and easy to verify. When value is clear, disputes decrease. Clear prices reduce conflict and increase trade volume. This is how trade becomes smoother over time. The bunny summarizes with a simple flow. Clovers move one way, carrots move the other. Carrots represent useful goods, while clovers represent a commonly accepted trade token. As trade expands, people prefer tokens that are countable, divisible, portable, and trusted. That's why clovers become central in our demonstration. This is the basic logic behind how money-like systems form.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Economics Simplified for more simple, practical economics.